My name is Braden Keither, and today I'm going to be talking about estimated RTT. So what does RTT mean? RTT stands for the round trip time. It measures the time between sending a packet when it is fully transmitted to getting the acknowledgement packet in return, and this is with relation to a TCP client and server. That can be seen in the diagram on the right hand side. There's no way to calculate what the RTT for a packet will be, so it needs to be estimated. What is estimated RTT? So if a packet needs to be resent, you need to have an approximate value for how long to wait before resending that packet, and that's what estimated RTT essentially is used for. RTT is estimated using the exponential weighted moving average, meaning that it takes into account the more recently observed examples, and that uh, is done with a given weight alpha, and also uses the prior sample RTT to calculate an estimated RTT. So if you look at the formula, estimated RTT of the packet n is equal to 1 minus alpha times the estimated RTT of the previous sample plus alpha times the sample RTT. So here's a problem, example problem, which you need to find the estimated RTT for the nth packet. So the statement is a host starts a TCP transmission with an estimated RTT of 30.1 milliseconds. The host then sends 3 packets and records the RTT for each. The first being 22 milliseconds, the second being 11.4, and the third being 41.6 or 46.1, sorry. Using an exponential weighted moving average with a weight of 0.4 given to the most recent sample, what is the estimated RTT for packet number 4? So, we start with the variables. Initial estimated RTT being equal to 30.1 milliseconds, and I already listed out the sample RTTs. Next, we calculate the estimated RTT2, which is 1 minus 0.4, which is the value of alpha, times 30.1 milliseconds plus 0.4 times 22 milliseconds, which comes out to 26.86. And then you continue down until you get to the third packet, where the answer comes out to 30.8456 milliseconds, and rounded 30.8 milliseconds for the fourth packet. So the big takeaways from estimated RTT is that it leans more towards the most recent sample RTT as the value of A approaches 1, and the estimated RTT gives an approximate value for the following sample that allows us to change our conditions for when to send packets in real time with respect to resending packets.